This is Akahi News. A shocking viral video has forced the Nigerian police force into damage control mode after 4 police officers attached to the Ondo State Police Command were arrested over alleged ethnically biased and unprofessional remarks made to motorists during a stop and search operation along the Lagos-Benin Expressway. The officers have been identified and placed under investigation following widespread public outrage. But beyond the arrest lies a much deeper question. Can Nigerians truly feel protected if law enforcement officers appear to judge citizens by their tribe rather than by law? Today, we examine what really happened, why it matters, and the important lessons every Nigerian must learn. What really happened? Pay attention. According to the Ondo State Police Command, a video circulating on social media showed 4 officers making remarks widely interpreted as ethnically discriminatory while interacting with a motorist. The video quickly attracted national attention, prompting condemnation from many Nigerians. In response, the police command identified the officers, arrested them, and commenced disciplinary and investigative procedures. This swift response suggests that the police leadership recognizes the seriousness of the allegations. Why this incident is dangerous. Nigeria is one country with hundreds of ethnic groups. The Constitution guarantees equal protection for every citizen. When a police officer appears to favor or discriminate against someone because of ethnicity, the consequences extend far beyond one traffic stop. It begins to destroy confidence in a justice system. Citizens may begin to fear the police instead of trusting them. Victims may hesitate to report crimes. Communities may believe the law is no longer impartial. That is a dangerous part for any democracy. The power of social media. One major lesson from this incident is that public accountability is changing in Nigeria. Years ago, this encounter may never have reached police authorities. Today, a smartphone can expose misconduct within minutes. Technology is increasingly making public institutions more accountable. Every officer should therefore remember that professionalism is required at all times, not only when cameras are absent. Lessons for the Nigerian police force based on this report. This incident should become a learning opportunity. First, officers need continuous training on ethics, human rights, and respectful public engagement. Second, tribal or ethnic profiling has no place in modern policing. Crime has no tribe. A suspect should be judged by evidence, not ethnicity. Third, disciplinary processes must remain transparent. If misconduct is proven, appropriate sanction should follow. Only consistent accountability can rebuild public trust. Lessons for Nigerians based on this report. Citizens also have responsibilities. Respect police officers carrying out their lawful duties. Know your constitutional rights. Avoid provoking security personnel. Where misconduct occurs, document it safely and report it through lawful channels rather than taking the law into your own hands. Justice is best served through evidence and due process. The bigger national question based on this report: Nigeria cannot achieve genuine national unity while tribal prejudice continues to influence public institutions like the Nigerian police force. The police represent the Federal Republic of Nigeria, not any ethnic group. Every Nigeria, whether Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa, Fulani, Ijaw, Tiv, Efik, Ibibio, or from any other community, deserve equal treatment before the law. Professional policing begins where ethnic prejudice ends. Finally, the arrest of these 4 officers is only the first step. The real test will be whether investigations are conducted fairly and whether justice is seen to be done. If handled properly, this case could strengthen confidence in police accountability in Nigeria. If not, it risks reinforcing public distrust. Nigeria deserves a police force known for integrity, fairness, and professionalism, not for tribal bias. To my viewers and listeners, what do you think based on this report? Do you believe the Nigerian police force is doing enough to eliminate ethnic bias among its officers? I want you to share your thoughts and opinion in the comment section below. And don't forget, if you found this analysis valuable, please don't forget to like, subscribe to Akahi News, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our in-depth national discussion. For more exclusive reports and deeper analysis, don't forget to visit akahinews.org. Akahi News, this is the website. Thank you for joining me on this segment. I am Joseph Iyaji.